Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of server error on Gmail. You will click on settings. In this page, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you can search about Gmail and you will click here. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end, you can go to Play Store. You can search about Gmail app like this. Then you can update your app if you will find the update in this blue sign like this. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.